everyone and welcome to my channel. Right now, we will be working on example 8. I will be using the mirroring command and I will be using the rotating command to draw this particular example. So I will be using both. Please watch with me and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So I will draw a line half of 7 units, which is going to be 3.5. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw a line, vertical line for 4.243. Enter, escape, click on the line, select it, type RO for rotate, enter, click the base point, and you're going to go do a negative 45 because you're going clockwise. Enter. Draw a line from this point, go up 4.75 units, and then another line 4.243. Escape, select the line, RO for rotate, click on the base point where you want to rotate it from. You're going counterclockwise, so it's going to be a positive 45. Draw a line for another 3.5. Escape. Click on mirror. Select the whole object that you need to mirror it from. Mirror it. Click enter. Select 2 points that you need to mirror it about. First point, and this is the second point. And no, I do not want to erase my source object. And there we have it. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.